Okay, let's look at an example of confidence interval for variance. If you look at the formula sheet, we have two very similar formulas here. This one for variance, this one for standard deviation. The only difference is that square root symbol. Otherwise, you'll work these problems nearly the same way. We have this kind of big formula here. Okay, now n is the sample size which we're given in this problem. S squared is sample standard deviation. I'm sorry, sample variance. That's here. We need to find the chi-squared left and the chi-squared right critical values. So again, we'll draw a picture. Something like this. Chi-squared left is here, chi-squared right is here. Now, the confidence level is 99%, which means there's 0.99 in the center, which means there's 0.01 left over in the tails. Now it is symmetric, even though it doesn't quite look it in terms of area. We take the 0.01 and we divide it by 2. 0.005, 0.005. Now, it's very important to remember that the chi-squared distribution measures area to the right. So if I'm over here at chi-squared right, the area to the right is 0.005. And that's what we'll need when we go to the tables. Now we'll also need degrees of freedom. If the sample size is 30, n minus 1 is degrees of freedom is 29. Let's take a look at the table. So we need the chi-squared right critical value. The area to the right is 0.005. We go to the 0.005 column, which is the furthest on the right. We go down to degrees of freedom of 29. The chi-squared critical value is 52.336. Now we have to be careful here. When we go to chi-squared left, we need the entire area to the right, which is the 0.99 plus the 0.005, which is 0.995. So again, we go to the table and we go to the 0.995 column, which is the furthest on the left. Again, go down to 29. The chi-squared critical value is 13.121. And now that we have those two numbers, we can substitute into this formula. Okay. This is where we have to be very careful. S squared represents sample variance. We have that 7.29. We put that entire thing in for 0.29 itself. Over chi-squared right, which was 52.336. On the other side, very similar, chi-squared left, 13.121. Now, this is essentially the confidence intervals. We just have to calculate this. Which is 4.039 on the left and 16.112 on the right. Now, a good check that your solution is on the right track. If you look at the sample variance, 7.29, that would fall somewhere inside of this confidence interval.